In this tutorial, I'll show you how to protect a PDF from copying or editing using Wondershare PDFelement. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So I'm inside Wondershare PDFelement and we'll begin by opening up a PDF. Let's open a PDF here. Just click on open and this is our PDF. To protect this particular PDF from copying, editing, etc., we'll need to go to the Protect tab up here. Just click on that and then click on Set Password. Now, when we click on that, the security feature or dialog box is going to pop up and you have the option to set a password to open the PDF. That is, if you want anybody reading this PDF, they can set a password to open that particular PDF. Next up, we have the option for permission password. So let's click on that, and entering a PDF differs from open password. So you can add 1, 2, 3 and then print permission. Printing is restricted on this file, and when you click on the drop down, low resolution printing is allowed, high resolution printing is allowed. Really depends on what you're looking for. Let's restrict printing, and once we do that, what are the changes permission? No changes are allowed on this file. Actions allowed: insert, delete and rotate. Actions allowed: filling form and adding signature. Actions allowed: comments, filling form and adding signature. Now these may come in handy, especially if you want, or this is an internal thing that you want just people who know that have the password for that particular PDF to be able to open the PDF and fill a form or add a signature. But let's assume you don't want any changes at all. Just select no changes are allowed on this file, and then you can disable this particular checkbox so that you disable copying of text, images and other content. You can decide on what encryption level that you need. 128 will suffice, but 256 is something that you can also use. Now let's click on save, and then once you do that, click on this particular save so that you save the changes where you want to protect your PDF. Just click on save. Now let's close this. Let's open the PDF that we just protected from editing. Just double click on it, and once you open it, the document restriction is available. This document is protected. Please enter the permission password to enable editing. Just click on that and then enter the password. Click OK, and then you can just peruse through your file and see what's available. Let's see if you can add some text. It seems that inside this particular application you can add the text, but if somebody was just opening this particular PDF inside a PDF reader, then it's not possible to add or edit any text in this. So that's how you protect a PDF from copying, editing and printing using Wondershare PDFelement. Thanks for watching.